Hi guys, if you really do want to follow these tutorials, you can. They're not really tutorials, they're just like showing everyday things, but it's really nice. I really do enjoy them. This one's pretty cool. I have been holding off on this blue one for a while. Oh my gosh, that looks so cool! Okay, if I can find the right color, I would, but perfect. Oh, that was quick. Oh, that looks amazing. Hi guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!